Hi friends, welcome back to Property Finders and also visit our website propertyfinders.co.in. This property is located at Jubilee Hills and the plot area of this property is 300 square yards. This is the stilt area of the property for car parking and it can park about 3 big vehicles over here. This building is stilt parking and ground first floor and second floor and third floor, altogether 4 floors. And the stilt parking, you have staircase over here and a reception and a underground water storage system is also available. This is the staircase for the first floor. Now we are heading to the first floor of the building, and this property is a north facing house. The house is north facing in the building. The main entrance of the house is north facing and it is done with very good teak wood design is available. Right now you can see on the screen, and now we are entering into the living area of the property. Fall ceiling, lighting, everything is neatly done. This is a brand new property and UPVC windows are used for this property. You can see the lighting, fall ceiling, it looks glorious in the provision. The TV cabinet is also done over here and the provision for the wardrobe TV cabinet is provided. You can see this is the other corner. You can see this is the TV cabinet and this is the entrance to the grand entrance to the other part of the house. You have a lift over here and a toilet on the right hand side. UPVC windows, neatly done with very good high-end chandeliers and everything is provided. This is the kitchen area of the property. You have the chimneys over here. The island kitchen is also available. You have a storage space here in this corner. It is locked right now. This is the cabinet for storing the cutlery, and this is the dining area of the property. Flooring, very good flooring is done to this property. It is an Italian marble. You can see the chandelier and wash basin, the storage capacity for cutlery, island kitchen, dining area. It is ready to move in with modular kitchen done in the kitchen area. This is one of the toilet on the ground floor, common toilet, that is washroom. Proper ventilation with the exhaust fan is provided over here. This is the lift area. You can go for the lift for the first and second floors in this property. We are taking the staircase. Ample lighting is provided. Natural light is also there for this property. This is the staircase with the granite used in this area. This is the puja room, neatly done as per the customs of Hindu. Very good stand is provided for storing the puja samagri over here. Proper ventilation is also provided. Storage capacity is also there. You can see the ventilation here. This is one of the bedroom and it has got wardrobes done. Italian marble is used in this bedroom. In all the bedrooms, in fact, they have used the Italian marble, and the fall ceiling is neatly done. Newly painted, brand new house. All the wardrobes are locked. For similar properties, if you are looking to buy in Jubilee and Banjara Hills, you can call us on 94916 42141. We have properties from 4 crores onwards to 25 crores in Jubilee and Banjara Hills. This is the toilet for this attached toilet for this bedroom. The storage capacity is also there. That is the storage very good wall tiling is also done. Waterproof doors are there. This is for the mirror space in the bedroom. So I was discussing about property finders. We have residential flats, plots, independent houses, villas available for sale in Jubilee and Banjara Hills. We have flats starting from 1400 2 BHK onwards in Banjara and Jubilee Hills. This is one of the other bedroom on the floor, that is first floor. You can see even in this bedroom also proper ventilation is there, natural sunlight is there, and very good wallpaper design has been used. This is a changing room with drawer wardrobes. This is the toilet, and you can see the material used in the toilet is that is in the washroom. The wash basin are all very expensive stuff they have used. This is the lift on the first floor. Now we are heading to the second floor of the property. Actually, this owner, they have designed this house for their self occupation, but due to some personal reasons they are moving out of Hyderabad. So now they want to sell this property. You can see this is one of the other bedroom on the second floor. Even here you can see very good fall ceiling, and natural light is also provided here. Wardrobes are done. This is the washroom for this bedroom. Very neatly done, and it can be a good property. Whoever buys the property, good ambience is there for this house, and there is a storage space also available. And this is one of the other bedroom. This place is leading to the staircase, and this is also one of the bedroom on the second floor. That is fourth bedroom with wardrobes, and space for study also is also provided. This can be used for the kids bedroom also, and attached toilet is also provided for this bedroom. So altogether we have 4 bedrooms, 5 washroom areas for this building. Ample water storage capacity is available in the underground storage tank on the ground floor in the stilt area. This is the eastern part of the house. Very good balcony kind of a thing is provided over here. Above this is the staircase. Property Finders is one of the leading real estate company in Hyderabad. We are channel partners for many construction companies. If you are looking to buy any of the property or sell any of the property, you can approach us. We can provide you the best deal in the market. We are experienced in real estates, and we have work experience in cities like Bangalore, Bombay and Chennai. If you have any of your property to sell, rent or lease, you can approach us on the numbers mentioned on the screen. That is 9491642141. We will get you the best deal for your property. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Property Finders. Please click the bell icon to receive the latest notifications from our site. Thank you.